Hello friends, the other day I made a video showing how to fix dents in lenses, and I used this lens as example, and this is the final result, and this was the initial condition of the lens. So I was able to do the repair. I showed to you the tools, I showed to you this, and this doesn't work, at least not if you want to keep your lens around and to keep your filter threads in good condition. And so instead of using this, I actually made my own tool, which is something very simple. Is this ring and brass that you can put around the lens. It has some play, so you can put some tape not to damage the paint, and with the ring in you just simply need a small piece of wood, a small hammer, and then you can come around and start hitting. Ideally you want to remove the part so you can work directly on it and you don't risk damaging the glass. So this is how I did it. And someone pointed out in the comments something really obvious, I would say, and he was telling me, okay, your tool is perfect, it works flawlessly, but what if I don't have access to a lathe or brass, or I don't know how to use a lathe, which is a rather legitimate claim. So initially, when I wanted to fix this lens, what I wanted to do was to do this piece in wood, and at home I have these things. It's a hole saw that I bought a long time ago. I don't know for what, something at home for sure. And this thing cost between 20 and 50 euros maybe. This thing here cost between 20 and 50 euros as well. This thing is not very useful, to be honest. This thing here you can use for doing many things, including very round holes and many things at home, and you will keep it for many years. And so, just for the experience, using the hole saw that I have here, at least two of them, I made on a piece of wood two holes. So the drawback of this obviously is that the round is not going to fit exactly, which is not a bad thing. You can still do with the wood. Okay, let me hold this. With the wood and the hammer you can still do the hitting. You will get everything into a round shape, and you just need to devise a way to hold in this on the part you want to repair effectively, but I don't think that's a big deal. And this is also an alternative. So if you don't have access to a lathe, or you don't have, or well, you don't know how to use a lathe to make a metal part, you can do it in wood using a hole saw. I said like this. They are even smaller, so you can make something that gets close to the diameter you want to repair, and this works also fine. And then, well, I think I didn't explain how to do the actual repair, or I did, I don't know. Very simple thing. You just put the part you want to make round, and then you just come hit, then just to finish, to get a minimum contact, you put the part, you take the round part against the round, so you get a minimum contact surface, and then with the small part of the hammer just to maximize the pressure. You can do this, and you can see here I have the marks of the threads, which I did not damage using this method, and I think I didn't show it that on the original video. Then here you have it. Done. Okay. You can actually put a filter, a clean one ideally, and here you go. So this is all I want to show today, just an alternative to fix dents in lenses using tools made in wood that work just as fine as the metal one, and it is actually cheaper and more useful than this thing here. So this is all I want to show you today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.